Whispers from the Brighter World, beloved Master, revered Babuji Maharaj, Saturday, May 26, 2001, 8 am. This special communication will be recognized in the future. Earthmen as a whole will have to accommodate themselves to it. It is possible to have a contact with us. Some beings have this faculty. Why not admit it? This fact always existed, and among some people it is common and much practiced. They also possess a wisdom transmitted over time, enlightened by guides standing by their sides. All is simple for them. Their mind is not tortured. The ancestors protect them. Their way of thinking is different from yours, but it is right basically, even if rituals are added to it that have no relevance to our comments. Why do your perpetually advanced societies reject what is not codified according to their standards? Man's capacities are amazing, but are relatively unused. The moment has not come yet. The coming era will foster their development. These capacities will have to be used for the good of men. They will have to be handled with discernment. The notion of good and evil will remain, and vigilance will have to prevail to avoid going to extremes. Evolution on the earth is taking place slowly, even if it is nearing a pivotal moment when everything can turn upside down and trigger the movement. Be that as it may, a time of adaptation is necessary to man who cannot be subjected to modifications that are too brutal straightaway. He must get over this hurdle carefully, and through a phenomena of osmosis, he should find himself in a context fostering this metamorphosis. Babuji Maharaj. Sunday, May 27th, 2001, 8 am. Yes, my child. Throughout the day, try to keep the condition you had at the end of our contact yesterday evening. Let yourself be carried away by the redeeming flow. This Sunday rest can only foster it. Lift yourself up. Lift up your thought above this world. Is this not better than holidays? We understand your need for change, fresh air, and communion with nature. Your aspiration to go away from here. Create all these impressions in you, enjoy them intensely, and visualize these landscapes you are lacking. We would like to give them to you in this moment. You can recreate anything in your heart. Feel intoxicating perfumes, breath, and experience stirring moments. Everything is within your reach. It is enough for you to ask for it, to want it forcefully. Your spiritual being can do much better for you than communing with nature. The world is in you, the sun, the moon, the starry sky. Priceless flowers, nameless trees, your mind can appropriate everything in these blessed moments. Do you appreciate this walk? Has it refreshed your heart? Prolong it, my child, and continue to advance in this fragrant maze. Your soul will come out of it delighted. Babuji Maharaj. The medium says, O Babuji, you give me all, my beloved.